The Portsmouth International Kite Festival in August is one of the best kite festivals in the world. It takes place in an open area close to the sea. There are lots of colourful kites to see, and even a chance to buy one if you want. There are also activities for all the family, including a children's kite workshop. The Portsmouth International Kite Festival takes place on Saturday and Sunday, so make sure you don't miss a great day out.
The International Kite Festival in Astana is in July, and it is a great day out for all the family. The festival takes place behind the Astana Music Hall, close to the Yesil River. At the festival, you can see some amazing kites that look like whales, owls, and crocodiles. There are also kite-building classes and kite masters who show children how to fly a kite. The International Kite Festival is the perfect way to spend a summer's day with the family.